The Pandora Storm Plus Immobiliser and Tracker System. Here are the features. Immobilisation. The Storm Plus comes with 2 points of immobilisation. That's already double what most competitive systems come with. It also comes with physical immobilisation, which means that even if the Storm Plus were to be removed from the car, it's still completely immobilised. GPS tracking. That means you can track your car anywhere in the world, straight from your phone or your laptop. Anti-HiJack. This can be activated in 2 different ways. The first is automatically. Should you be pulled out the car, the vehicle will stop automatically at a safe speed, keeping itself and you safe. The second way is remotely. So you can call up the system and shut it down anywhere in the world straight from your phone. Worldwide phone notifications. You can keep in touch with your car anywhere in the world. If one of the sensors is triggered or the car is attacked, you'll get a call, text or a push notification. Sensors. The system comes with a dual shock, tilt and motion sensor that can all trigger if the car is attacked. Bluetooth driver tags. Without one of your Bluetooth driver tags, a thief cannot start the car, and these also work with the anti-hijack feature. This system comes with 2, so you always have a spare. The Pandora Storm Plus is fully upgradable. You could add some of these following features. Remote start. This allows you to remotely start your car's engine, while the Pandora system's fully armed and the vehicle's still protected. You can use this with your factory key, remotely with a mobile phone, or even using Siri.
Done. Command executed.
Alarm system. You can turn the Storm Plus into a fully fledged alarm system. This adds a 120 decibel siren and an internal sensor. Wireless immobilisation. This is a completely hidden and undetectable immobiliser that can't be found with scanning equipment. Pandora Band. This is a wearable Bluetooth driver tag, which also acts as a pedometer and a watch. OBD Immobiliser. This is a wireless immobiliser. On some cars, thieves can program a key to the car despite not being able to steal it, but this can cost you a lot of money in reprogramming. The OBD Immobiliser stops that from happening. Pandora Key Guard. This completely blocks any program keys from the vehicle unless you have your Bluetooth driver tag. So to summarise, the Pandora Storm Plus is a complete immobilisation and tracking package which is fully upgradable. It's designed to keep your car safe at all times whilst also keeping you connected 24/7. To find out more information or check out where your local installer is based, visit the website at www.pandoracarAlarms.co.uk.